welcome back on the next show. We discuss soft skills and hard skills. BUNMI only HR experts today here should not finish with soft skills. Make we enter hard skills now. Make we know what's in day for inside hard skills. Over to you.
The last one we did for soft skill,
oh,
emotional intelligence.
Emotional
intelligence.
Yeah.
Yes, so.
Emotional means balance and saying emotional intelligence. Someone also about the insult. You are suffering for emotional intelligence.
Because anybody, see, I'm tell you, you see, you see this way you talk now. Anybody, see, as you did there so now, anybody will abuse you. See, you are nothing but an emotional intelligence. Just they cry. Just they cry.
Because you get to do with emotion now, so
you are nothing but an emotional intelligence. Yeah, in one.
You are a decibel of emotional intelligence part 1.
So that place might be bad pass. That's why you go need 7 days fasting to clean.
Then you go your strong face down.
I can't have a house where they cry. Continue. Emotional intelligence.
You see, emotional intelligence not be something where they go write for your job description. Now be say, now that kind of thing will be say, they balance your social skill, your social awareness, and your self-management abilities.
So now like CIA.
But wait, what will be the example of social emotional skills?
You see, if I interact with you now,
I go know when you don't vex.
Something like that.
So because you go know when you don't like them. Those kind.
So let me say women then get more emotional skill because women they know when man want to start.
No.
Not be that kind one.
You know when
they say social awareness.
How you
I know. We emotional now.
Okay.
And then your social skill, and then your self ability. So you know, say some people they know if you manage themselves, talk less of manage somebody else. So these 3 things now you map them together. Now you be say you go sabi, you not be say you know sabi your work, but you go sabi things where they around you.
Okay.
Then things where surround your work.
Okay.
Where we say you go know say if I do this one now, it go improve me like this.
Okay.
If you go canteen, you go fit communicate well, you know, intellectually. Not be say that they talk like say that they go yaba, your own don't they you know even reach them. So you go suppose map all those 3 attributes together. Emotionally, you're intelligent. Yes. Educationally, you're qualified.
Spiritually, you're intelligent.
Everything
so just emotional intelligence.
No, I mean emotional and social.
Emotional and social and spiritual.
Yes.
Everything supposed they balance. You know, be say you go day social. You know, like
you know,
if you go, if easy be day one party now, you can't go that party. You can't talk say because they don't talk them for night show. Say, Nedu talk say, emotional intelligence. I be say social awareness. Katim talk say self ability. You can't go dance, go
because I say you want to show your emotional.
Don't be so. I'm saying you suppose they balance all those kind of things. You know when to start, you know when to stop, you know when to exactly. So for hard skill now, hard skill, those ones you suppose they put them for your CV. Even soft skill, you suppose they put them for your CV. Yes. Ability to research.
So you could just itemize some soft skill as listed below.
Soft skill as listed below.
So you know, say we don't talk how CV is supposed to be. You know, say some CV they go just put some kind thing for red, for green, for not be so. You know, some people they like opening statements.
Yes.
Careers and objectives.
Focus in the next 10 years.
That objective aim. You will see that some people will start as you read this. May the Lord bless you.
You say, you can't where you go work, go find work. You sit down, you know, say in your mind, you don't write down what's in BUNMI don't tell you now here, say this is the way to write you as if it. But you get the kind of confidence where your neighbor go come sit down with that objective and opening statement. You say if you go look your own, you say, like come like say,
can I copy your own and use? Continue. What to be hard skills?
Hard skill now, those things where you say you fit itemize, you fit measure. Like we talk education. So those kinds is like your IT skill now. Now hard skill. Ability to use a processor, you know, Microsoft Word, all the ability to use a spreadsheet, Excel.
And that's something where you sabi.
Where you sabi access.
And something where you don't maybe go school for.
Yes.
So you get qualified.
You get qualified, yes. You fit measure them. Your presentation skills, you know. You fit use PowerPoint. Then ability to program.
The Vertebrate and invertebrate now.
No, those ones.
Something with backbone and something without backbone. It's the same thing. Hard skill, soft skill. It's okay. I understand.
Then project management, like your Prince 2, your Agile.
You're good. Prince 2.
Prince 2, yes now.
I don't know what she's talking about. People just pretend say we know what she they talk.
Okay.
Yes, Prince 2.
You know, say for your educational qualification for your CV, you go see BSc Agric Economics.
Okay.
MSc Agronomy.
Okay.
Then IT skill, you go write.
Just they do
Okay.
not they cause trouble.
Yes.
Then when they say professional certifications, you feel write those your Prince 2, your
Prince
CIPM, your CIPM, your SHRM, your all those things we don't get for.
We come put, say we can now when we don't collect
You
that
put Prince 2,
title.
HIVM, HIV, EFCC,
Your chieftaincy title.
chieftaincy.
Your chieftaincy title inside.
Amanda Neze one of
Thank you so much. Nedu.
Just
Put them everything.
all
You
of
could
them.
decorate
Proofreading, editing, na hard skill. You know, say some things. If you give some people now, we make the quick proofread.
And they know,
They
yes.
know, yeah,
Mistakes
sharp. They don't know.
Okay.
Some people they go need glasses. They give them. They go read. They don't go see the mistake. When they come carry them reach where they want something, and they go say, please, I'm sorry, mistake day. Meanwhile, they don't proofread though. They say no mistake. They go, please, excuse me. I need to correct something.
That kind of person. How if to say when a day meeting, how they go look that kind of person?
That's
Like
not
say,
part of soft skill. You suppose don't get some kind of things where you say sharp. No need to come and tutor you on those kind of things. Okay. Then event management.
The hard skills too.
Nah, hard skill, yeah.
Now people they use and chop money. Now people they.
I don't know.
Management and hard skills.
Na hard skill will be say something where you don't master. That one no be say attribute anymore. Okay. Na thing where you don't. You know, some people they go school, go learn how to sew clothes.
Yes.
To do. Yes. So this one too na hard skill will be say you don't learn, you don't know, you don't master them. Okay. Then maintaining company intranet, you put them for your CV. Intranet now. That's our outlook now.
Oh, that thing.
When they say if you not send it.
You say English plenty for that email where they say if you know, you understand.
Till today.
Okay. Then programming, graphic designing. Now hard skill.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ability to use Adobe software, say your Photoshop, your Illustrator. Not be Photoshop where girls go do one kind kinikon.
Oh, na Photoshop. Please.
Change.
My brother, as long as you can alter it, you know.
Easy bit head, put Albert.
It's okay. You come out in lips, keep and red lips.
Yeah. The use of online software, like your Google Analytics, your Majestic SEO.
Why people they call that in Cockle?
Now Google.
But are you hear Cockle now?
Google.
No, they
Google. Now those will not go school. It be like people they say, are you under prayer?
Yeah, me.
Are you under prayer?
I won't say that handle.
You never hear people they call prayer?
No.
You never hear people they call prayer?
I don't hear them.
Oh wow.
Continue because
And you know, it also depends though. If na UK English, I be na American English.
it's UK and American English.
Even for spelling, you know, say some American
that one for spelling center
ground
and
floor.
center.
Ground floor, first floor. Then they go say
That's in the
first floor,
even
second floor. You understand?
you know, so that
British
thing.
go say ground floor.
You never go office, Nedu, where we say where you they go, say ground floor.
Ground floor.
Meanwhile, you don't go underground. You don't know. Can make us say underground because that ground floor interpret to mean first floor. This Ojibo, they confuse person.
So on the ground one, I'm talking again.
Yeah, no,
America
you don't
go
reach
say
there
basement.
now. Storage.
Basement.
Storage or
Then
car parking something.
First floor.
Before focus, when the lift open the door, you know.
You go see yourself.
Say no. Please.
I'm going up.
Yes, one step up.
But you know, British go do ground floor, first floor, second floor. America go do first floor, second floor, third floor.
We don't know. We know they enter lift.
No be so.
We a bit. We should we enter lift that day for rental hotel.
It's there for 1004 too now. There for 1004.
We know where we go.
An escalator safe.
We enter lift.
Okay.
Leave that thing. Spiritually or physically, we enter lift.
Yes, in the night time or the daytime.
I'm not there with you for that time. Continue.
Then proficiency in foreign languages.
Hey!
I'm
not that one. We'll get them now. Get that. We speak French.
Spanish, Hausa,
Spanish,
everything.
Indian.
We can speak German, Spanish.
Let me tell you how many match go they talk very well.
I know how many match discuss
Some
them.
people might not even understand themselves.
Okay.
But they own the hardware.
Okay, is it big now? We will speak Spanish now. C'est levantos ya.
Levantos.
Levantos.
Nee.
Papi, amigo. Ándale. Wait, we just say we not speak too much.
You know.
We just
Now we don't speak selfie.
we just show you say we sabi.
Then lastly, ability to operate some certain machinery.
Which one?
Like forklift now.
Hey.
Where they use park
Another thing I hear.
forklift.
So if you mean
What did you use
to fit operate forklifts?
Yeah.
Solo go fit operate.
No, what did they think I do? No. I don't know. What are you lifting? So for the pay from the crown.
No, when they carry heavy things, if something too heavy, they go use forklift.
Why I don't know how to operate that kind of machine?
Let me say, Solo they carry heavy things.
My brother, my sister.
Not be my mouth here,
Yes, sir.
That's how we do. No, what's it like? Halabag.
Let me say that's how we roll.
That's how we roll. I beg Lucas. Anyway, double toilet all of Word of Law stock today on Sunday night show. Double toilet to Bumi. But we'll give Bumi on
Waiting.
Talk.
No, he get some advert where they go, where if they put for, say, newspaper, say, okay, we want fresh graduate,
Yes.
15 years experience and all of that. Salary maybe from 150,000 to
No,
500,000.
this one way there. Now, there's junior researcher intern needed. Job level, fresh graduate, entry level, graduate internship. Salary range, 15,000 to 500,000.
You thief?
You be thief?
I don't know.
Then specialization, human resources, on area.
Okay.
Preferred years of experience, 15 years.
For entry level.
15 plus,
15
yes.
plus.
Available slot.
They say fresh graduate, too. Preferred years of experience, 15 years plus. Then available slot, 6. June application deadline, June 15, 2015. This makes sense.
You know, makes sense. I be say, you know that time, that show where they assess how CVs they be, then how adverts they be. This kind of adverts, nobody need to tell you, say, this kind of thing, no be real.
They could apply
Thank
now.
you.
People could
As I
apply.
see,
No be real.
immediately nothing at 419 something.
Graduates, not be entry level that they look for.
And
Now zero, we talk that time, I say now 0 to 1 year experience.
This one around 15 years
Even
plus.
your NYC experience
Now
for you.
experience, yes, because
And
now
nobody
internship.
go write salary where they go pay you for paper.
Exactly.
No understand, it's private now.
It's private.
Because
Nobody-
even during
No,
interview,
you won't wait. 15,000
you know, say you go fill
to
some
one
kind
and
form
Yes, how much
before
they
we
pay you,
you go there, and every organization they get income
Salary
structure.
Exactly. Then get acceleration.
So not be
So
waiting
my
they come
people,
talk.
anytime you see anything like this inside paper, I know say all of us they find work. But it does not mean that if you see this thing, you go carry your pen and paper and say, I write to you, read your application page, something at 10:49 a.m. Stay away, run away, then go carry you do
If
one
you see
night.
application where they put salary say from 15,000 to 500,000, run no.
Which kind job you go dey do say where they go dey pay you
I don't know.
15,000 naira?
They say
See the range, sef.
productive
15 to 500,000 a month.
job resourcer. Junior resourcer.
Junior resourcer.
What's be junior resourcer?
They
Intern.
like that to.
Junior resourcer.
In bracket, intern.
Intern.
In bracket,
In fact,
intern.
for this thing, for our job scope, now it be say internship.
Yes.
It did 2 types. You know, say you get some seaways intern. We say they go come from school.
Yes.
They go say
Yeah.
go learn this
Yes.
thing,
Yes.
come
Summer
back.
after
Yes.
school.
Then we get NYSC. We be say now
1 year
post
internship.
exactly that one now 1 year
Internship.
internship. So internship, nothing to you understand. Before you now get permanent employee, we be say you be permanent staff.
I beg you, leave them. Holy Ghost, fire! And you evil people, Holy Ghost, fire!
It cannot not work.
We gonna use French, take end the show today. Je l'ai pas joué, tous les vins, les watcher la show, les la télé, les bonsoirs, les invités, les joutes avant, les boumioni, les charespétés, les katim, les voutazois, les voutazois.
Donc, on se voit demain. Au revoir. Je regarde. Oui, c'est mes brothers, malgré.
So, we va toucher la que solo, la que mousse. Nous va tomorrow, les jatou, voilà.
Oui.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.